In this guide, I'll show you where to find WWE 2K23 save game and config files for quick backup. All you have to do is navigate to the game folder. After you are in the game folder, open the Steam data folder, and this is where all your game progress will be saved. Now I'll show you guys the backup guide. Just go back and copy this Steam data folder and paste it in another location. If something goes wrong, you can easily restore just by copying this folder and paste it in this location. And now I'll show you guys the config file location. Go to documents and open the WWE 2K23 folder and right click on the config and select edit in notepad, and you can edit the game settings in here. After that, select file and select save. The game settings will be saved. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.